Hi viewers, welcome back to Mithramma IT YouTube channel. In this video, we're discussing about how to create a delete activity in Azure Data Factory. Now, first of all, you go to your resource group. Now, in the resource group, this is our resource group. Click on it. Here you can see our storage account and database server and database and its data factory. Now, click on our storage account. Open in a new tab. Also open your data factory in also new tab and go for the Azure data storage. Now this is the storage account. Now click on container. You can see here the input having the customers.csv. Okay. Now go to the container. The output sync is having the customers.json, right? Yeah. Now I want to delete the customers.json from output sync. Okay. Go for the storage. Now go for the our factory Azure Data Factory. Launch Azure Studio. Now it's open a new web page interface for Azure Data Factory. Just go through it. Yeah, it's loaded. Alright. Now I want to extend the screen so you can see also. Okay, this is our data factory. This is our storage account. You can again see the input having a customers.csv, the output sync which is having customers.json. Now I want to delete the customers.json file from the output sync by using the data factory pipelines. Just click on it. Extend the screen. That's here visible will be clear and concise. You go for author. Here actually yesterday or night created a pipeline, right? The pipeline is copyrighted tool, right? Now I'm creating one pipeline. Okay. Now I'm creating a pipeline like new pipeline. The pipeline 2. Okay, just click on it here. Properties will be closed. Yeah. Now go for move and transform. There is a data flow, but I want to do activity is delete activity. Okay, you can search from here also. Here general, go for general. Here you can see the delete activity. Okay, delete, drag it. If you not see delete activity here from your side, go for here search. Okay, it's available in general. Okay, no issue. Now you can see when click on the this one, you can see the source and the logging system and user properties. If you click on the outside of it, you can see the properties and the variables and settings output. So these are the configurations is available. Click on delete function. Now what I'm trying to do now, where your files are stored here, just to collapse it. Now before collapsing it, I want to create one data set. There is a blob input and blob output data set available. Just I want to create one data set right now. To create a new data set, yeah, where I want to delete the storage, go for blob, click on it, go for continue. The file having JSON format, click on JSON format and continue. Now I want to create a linked service, right? I have two linked service available. Just I want to create a new service. Okay. Now is keep it as default from the subscription. Azure free trial, account name, this one, and the test the connection is right or wrong, is valid or not, is valid. Just go for create it. Yeah, it's done. Now select our container where you want to delete this or option. I want to delete the JSON format. Click on it. Okay. And import schema from the connections. Keep it okay. Now our JSON is ready right now. Yeah. Now what I'm trying to do, just click on the pipeline tool. Okay. I want to delete JSON file from just I want to collapse it. Yeah, I can see more visible. Yeah, I want to delete the JSON. I want delete JSON file from output sync. Right. This is I am writing as a delete activity today. Now keep it as default ones in the below setting configurations. Go for source. Now I want to see the data set. Okay. Before you create data set, right? A JSON one. You are creating data set. Yeah. Now just select that one. Okay. If not create data set here, go for here. Click now. Search for blob. Okay. You can also create connections here, but it's good way. Before you creating the one, this is a good way to selecting at all this way. This is a good way. This is a good way if you want to require any data set, if you want to go for it and select it. Okay, this is good way. You just go for it and select the JSON one. Now I want to delete that one. Okay, that's why I'm creating it. Just preview it data. Here this is the JSON format. Okay, this is JSON format. I want to delete it. Okay, you can see this is one of the Indian. Okay, but there is a preview will be limited, not entire data will be provided. Just only for 10 power will be provided to you right now. Yeah. Now what I'm trying to do now next, go for the logging settings. Source setting will be this, and when you select this data set, it's done. Go for logging. It's required for the delete activity. Okay. Now just select the account link service. Where you want to account link service? The account link service will be Azure Blob Storage 3 right now. Yeah, Blob Storage 3. Just connecting it because this link data set will be stored in the Blob Storage 3, right? Yeah. Click on it. Connection will be successful. Now just the folder. Which folder you want to store a logging, which means the activities logging is nothing but if you did something or delete activity or cop. Mostly is having its logging activity will be provided only for deleting activity. For any activity you can use it. But what it says is what you're doing on the particular file on the particular folder. It will show you. Okay, just click on the. I want to show this output in input folder. Okay, you can see where you can also can where you want the file in the logging file you want it. Okay, I want in input. I want to delete from output file. I want delete output file, but the output file what I am deleting, I will show you in the input folder by using logging. Okay, just wait. It's loading. Mostly it's like some routing folders for searching routing folder. It takes some time, but while making the videos, it's loading too much time. When I do practical test with myself, it's quick fast. I don't know why it's taking this much of time. Just a small folder in my blob storage. Yeah, it's taking time. Just go back and come back and come again. Browse it. The root folder having the input sync I want to give it. Yeah, just click on OK. Okay, this is done. Both the source and setting will be done. Okay. Now what I'm trying to do, just go for it and validate it. There is no output address rise here. Just close here and go for publish what you're publishing? Pipeline and JSON file. Data set will be published, right? Go for publish. It's under publishing. Okay. Yeah, publish is completeful. Now I'm trying to do as a new trigger by using timing. Okay, just try. Actually, before video you're doing add triggering at the manually, right? Now I'm trying to do as trigger one description schedule. I'm doing scheduling. Right. I don't know how much time right now. Just I want to minimize it. Start date time. I think it's reoccurrence will be available. Just I will try. What happens when its start date is yesterday, not today, from the 3 to 3 a.m. Okay. Want to specify a time? Time, yeah, it's around 8:36. 34, 36. Okay, you gonna okay? No, just I'm triggering it right some time. Yeah, I'm clicking OK. Just wait. I'm giving 8:36 is a end time. Go for here. You can see there is a yesterday. I'm triggering right now. Yeah, it will be available. Pipeline one is available. Just go for refresh it, refresh it, refresh it, refresh it. Think I'm giving is right or wrong. Just wait. Just wait for 36. After going for it and recheck again. Just refresh, refresh. When triggering, it's automatically done. You can hear. You can visible here. Okay. I am set the time at the 8:36. Nearly at approximately 8:37 as per the counting of seconds also. Just wait. It's triggering. Yeah, I think it's time to trigger. Just wait. It's how it will be is not. Its trigger is not. I'll show you. It's still on under process. Uh, it's not automatically trigger. Just wait. No, no data is available for triggering. Pipeline one is still showing, but I want pipeline two. Output shows. Just wait. No, time is 8:06. What refresh? What it's showing here? Yeah, okay. Pipeline one still. Yeah, you're doing nothing. One point. Whenever you trying to upload, I mean, when you're trying to triggering, yeah, you're right, but you not publish it. That is the main problem. Just close it. Detach your trigger. Again, you're giving choose your trigger. Trigger one. Okay. I'm started date time. I'm on time at 8 39 38. Okay, 37. I given it again. 38. Click on OK. Again, end time will be 40, 2 minutes for triggering it. Okay, every 1 minute. Click on OK. OK, just publish it or trigger. Just publish it. Now you can see it's triggered from 38. It start from 38 and triggered two times. Okay, yeah, just go for monitor. You can see pipeline one is available. Just refresh it. Refresh it. Yeah, now we can see our trigger is published successfully. Now we want to see how this trigger is running or not as per scheduling. Otherwise, I go for manually. Yeah, you can see the trigger 2 is now running. Pipeline 2 is now triggered, right? Succeed successfully at the 8:38 p.m. Okay, can you just wait for? Can give 8:40 as the end time, right? Just to go for refresh it and check is another pipeline will be run or not. Again, the same pipeline returns twice or not. Just check for 80:40 because I'm giving 80:40 as the end point of trigger. Yeah, you can see successfully trigger, right? This is your scheduling of triggering. Okay, on the time you have any busy schedule or any work with us, you can go for trigger it on time. You can go for it. Okay, this is a good way. When you don't do manually on the period of time, you can go for trigger by using scheduling. This is one of the more advantage. Yeah, you can see pipeline 2 is again triggered because of I'm giving time of 8:40 every 1 minute right now. That's why there is 2 minutes at 8 and 40. By every 1 minute it's scheduled, right? Yeah, it's triggered twice. Now go for pipeline. It's done. Its work is done. You can see its trigger rate is completed. You can also go for monitor. Yeah, actually you monitor the pipe two pipelines, and yeah, these are the welfare. Now what I'm trying to do, just go for your storage account. Just check the output sync. It's available or not. Yeah, there is no file available in the output sync. Just because I'm using deleting activity in the data pipeline factory. Now go for inputs. You can see there's two files. Why you have two files? Because I am triggered twice. Okay, that's why it's showing two files. It's having the information of what I am doing the activity. Just see the file, what it's having. It's having the name category, which means name means customer JSON file is a name. Category is a file. Status is deleted. Okay, just see preview on clearly you can hear. The name customer category is a file. Status is deleted. Error file does not exist. Okay, the file is does not exist. This is a logging activity we can do it in the logging activity does. It shows what happens to the file specific file. Okay, that is the only condition the logging will be available. Okay, the input two files will be loaded. If you trigger again again it's loaded. I think it's not pipeline is not stopped still now. For refresh, the pipeline is still running. That's why you can see three pipelines will be run. You can see the three file will third file will be again added in the months our storage account. Okay, just I want to go for it and just I want to trigger stop the triggering. Go for it. Just I want to detach this trigger. Just discharge it. Yeah, close it. That's it. Just I want 1 hour if publishing it. Just close the service. That's the main criteria is available. Okay, it's showing error for trigger one can't activate. Go for it and publish. Okay, it's already done by fixed error. Okay, there is no trigger is right now. No issue. Now what I'm trying to do, I will show you in the Yeah, you can see this is all the same files. It's having the logging activity when you're doing something activity on folders and files. You want to deleting it. It's showing the logging activity. If you want to, if must give that, then only the other users can know who or what happened to the specific file. Okay, you can also. This is also one of the delete activity. Someone says you can delete from output and go for it and delete it. Yeah, you can delete it, but main agenda of this delete activity is, if you want to delete in Azure, it's only not like a silly task. Like, if you want to delete something, if you want to give logging, because otherwise some kind of what happened, it's a what happened to specific file, they no, unfortunately they ask some files, what happened was if their file will be automatically deleted. What happened, they must know what file will be deleted, and they note it from somewhere. This is a requirement of your Azure. Okay, now this is the way you are deleting activity can use it. Okay, this is about delete activity in Azure. I think, I hope you understand this topic. Thank you for watching.